Do you want to build a compact, high-performance PC without blowing your entire budget? Then stick around to the end. Today we're looking at a smart configuration that gives you great performance for your money. Normally we'd be talking about a dedicated graphics card here, but in this build we're relying on the processor's integrated graphics, and they're actually impressive. If you can't get your hands on a GPU right now, or just want to start with a budget-friendly setup, this is a solid alternative. The integrated Radeon graphics can easily handle light games like Fortnite, League of Legends, or CSGO in Full HD, and they run smoothly. Compared to similar Intel iGPUs, AMD clearly delivers more gaming power here. And if you ever want to upgrade later, you can easily add a dedicated graphics card. You'll find links to compatible GPUs down in the description. The Ryzen 7 5700G is a true all-rounder, whether it's gaming, video editing, or multitasking. This processor handles it all with ease. Best of all, you don't need a separate graphics card to get started. Thanks to its high core count, it runs multiple apps in parallel without breaking a sweat. It's ideal for compact systems or beginner builds with future upgrade potential. If you like setups like this, hit that subscribe button. We post new builds, tests, and tips regularly. And if you're enjoying the video, feel free to give it a like. This motherboard is simple, reliable, and does exactly what it's supposed to do. It supports Ryzen 5000G processors right out of the box. No BIOS update required. The feature set isn't fancy, but it's more than enough for a solid everyday or gaming PC. And with the M.2 slot, you can easily add a fast NVMe SSD later on. RAM is the backbone of a smooth system, and 16 gigs is plenty for gaming, office work, streaming, and more. In this build, we're using a single stick, which leaves one slot free if you want to upgrade later. Fast load times, short boot ups, and smooth performance. That's what the crucial BX500 brings to the table. As a SATA SSD, it's way faster than any traditional hard drive and great for getting started. Sure, NVMe drives are faster, but at this price, it's great value with enough space for your OS and a handful of games. The Assassin X120 doesn't just deliver strong cooling, it also looks great with ARGB lighting. Even under load, the cooler stays nice and quiet, perfect for anyone who wants performance without noise. This power supply delivers enough juice for this build, with room to grow if you add a graphics card later. It doesn't have an official efficiency certification, but for budget builds, it's a solid pick. The AP201 not only looks clean, it's also smartly designed. There's lots of space for big CPU coolers and future upgrades. The ventilated front panel provides excellent airflow, perfect for a compact and powerful system. That's our compact, budget-friendly build featuring a powerful Ryzen processor and well-balanced components. Ideal for beginners or anyone looking to upgrade later on. Be sure to check the links in the description for current prices and offers. And if you liked the video, leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.